Finding cheaper flights. We all love to travel, but let's face it, no one likes to spend a fortune on plane tickets. So, in this video, I'm going to share with you some helpful tips that will guarantee you finding cheaper flights for your next travel. Before we jump in, let me ask you a question. Have you ever searched for a flight on a Tuesday, and then checked the price again on a Friday only to find that the price has gone up? It's like the airlines know when you're looking, right? I've got some tips that will help you beat the system and find cheaper flights. Tip 1. Be flexible with your travel dates. If you're willing to be flexible with your travel dates, you can often find much cheaper flights. Airlines often have different prices for different days of the week, and certain times of the year are more expensive than others. So, if you can be flexible with your travel dates, you may be able to save a significant amount of money. Tip 2. Use flight aggregators. Flight aggregators, like Skyscanner, Kayak, and Google Flights, can help you find the cheapest flights across multiple airlines. These websites allow you to compare prices, routes, and dates from different airlines, making it easy to find the best deal. Tip 3. Clear your cookies. Have you ever noticed that the flight prices seem to go up every time you search for them? This is because airlines use cookies to track your search history and increase the prices accordingly. So, before you start your search, clear your cookies or use incognito mode to avoid this. Tip 4. Sign up for airline newsletters. Airlines often send out exclusive deals and discounts to their email subscribers. So, sign up for the newsletters of your favorite airlines to stay up to date with their latest offers. Tip 5. Book early, but not too early. Booking your flights too early can sometimes be just as bad as booking them too late. Airlines often release their cheapest tickets 6 to 8 weeks before the travel date. So, if you book your tickets too far in advance, you may end up paying more than you need to. Tip 6. Take advantage of airline reward points. Joining an airline rewards program can earn you points or miles that can be redeemed for free flights or upgrades. Same applies with credit card rewards. So there you have it, these tips will help you find cheaper flights and save you money on your next trip. I hope you found this video helpful. Thanks for watching, and happy travels.